You're a vegetable. Eat you. You're a vegetable. I'm gonna eat you.
So Dishaun Harris is a New Haven native that we all know as our agricultural hub guy.
And I am a New Haven health leader. I'm less of a teacher and more of a facilitator of teaching. I like to explore questions. I like to ask the right questions to get people to explore answers themselves. That's just my style, and that's probably why I'm not like in the official school system. But when people come with questions, I like to give them as much information as possible and guide them towards how to find more information. That's my style.
So Dishaun actually came to us already qualified, seasoned, and kind of doing what he loves to do and having all the know-how. He actually has his own business that is focused on agriculture.
Y'all look so magical. Indeed. What's up, y'all? Hey, what's up?
Lights, camera, action.
Yeah, we out here. What I want to do is I harvested a lot this morning for the CSA, but we can still harvest the lettuce over there, and we can harvest the okra that's ready on the okra plants. Amelia, do you have any shares on you? Oh, no, it works. Indeed.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Food really is political. There's this culture, we call it food apartheid. It's a systematic practice that certain underserved communities don't have access to affordable, healthy food, and then that leads to food-related diseases that can be countered with the right diet. One way to combat that is to locally be able to grow your own food. While a garden like this won't feed this entire neighborhood, it won't feed New Haven, the city of New Haven, it won't feed America. If we have more gardens like this, it would definitely help balance out the power play that food has. I may make enough to pay my bills, but not enough to like expand or just randomly start a garden somewhere, because all this infrastructure requires funding. It's not too expensive, but for somebody like me, it does cost a lot of money. When I seen the opportunity to join the New Haven Health Leaders, one is New Haven, so it's like, that's me. I'm New Haven to the core. And then also like seeing that it was serving the communities that I grew up in, and seeing that I can do any type of project that I wanted to, I figured it was a win-win. Like a community garden is right in alignment with public health. They were able to help financially. They also were able to help me reach out to certain community leaders and like owners of spaces that I may have wanted to put a garden in, and they helped me do that.
Dishaun has created many agricultural hubs all throughout New Haven. He actually is a driver, in my opinion, of environmental and social justice through that agricultural lens.
I wouldn't suggest everybody become a farmer if it's not in you to do that, right? But also, do not be discouraged. Whatever it is that you decide that you are passionate about, you want to do that. You don't need to necessarily be an expert. I didn't need any certifications to grow my own food. You just need to be passionate, and you need to be willing to learn, but just get into it. When it comes to public health, there's so many different aspects that you can do.
Public health, it's personal. So we can't just leave it up to the doctors. We can't just leave it up to the policymakers. We can't just leave it up to the alders. You have to take an active role if you truly want to see the change that we actually need. Apply to become a New Haven health leader and start driving the change that you want to see.